Hello, welcome back to What's in the Box. Actually today it really wasn't my plan to do another What's in the Box video, but DHL does not care about my plans and they delivered extremely fast. This year it's a package from my good friend at exclusive Porsche models. Also make sure to check him out on Instagram, Facebook and all that stuff. And if you are tuning in for the very first time, thank you very much for doing so. My name is Michael here at 911 Scales. It's all about Porsche model car content, and if you like that kind of stuff and like to support me of spreading the passion for Porsche model cars, make sure to hit the subscribe button here down below. But now back to this package freshly delivered from Stuttgart. Let's open her up. So in here are three similar models, three models which are exactly the same. Let me show you them. Here it's already saying it, Cayman GT4. And this one here is actually the Cayman GT4 Spectrum Edition. It's a brand new Cayman GT4 model, but you can already see this one is also yellow, like the one I already reviewed. So let's check this one out. Like all Spectrum Edition, it's coming in a wonderful, let me just put this here, in a wonderful packaging. I have ordered three from exclusive Porsche models and pre-ordered them quite some time ago. And as you can see, this one is also limited to 2020 pieces in yellow, and it comes with this rather interesting packaging. So let's see how she is and if she is any different from the Cayman GT4 I already reviewed. The link to that is down in the description below. On first glance she looks exactly the same. Well, this is nice. The packaging has the Cayman GT4 inside, looking very good, I would say. Reminds me of the Porsche Plus series packages, which is very nice. So this one, does she look different? Nope, I would say no. But she has some nice stitching in the interior, that is nice. Let me just get this here close up to the camera. Hopefully, yeah, there's the focus, perfect. So yeah, a yellow Cayman GT4 limited to 2020 pieces. Unfortunately, she looks exactly the same as the original 718 Cayman GT4 model I already did a review on. So yeah, and of this one I will obviously also do a proper review, but I think it will be a bit shorter because most of the car of this model is already covered in my review link down below. So yeah, I think that should be enough for today. Let me know what you think of this new Spectrum Edition Cayman GT4 in the comments below. And yeah, as always, thanks very much for tuning in. That's it for now. Tune in next time when I explore the Porsche model car world in 911 Scales. Ciao! Ja, der neue Cayman GT4. Sieht nicht wirklich neu aus, aber na gut. Wollen wir mal gucken, wenn wir uns den genauer anschauen, ob der tatsächlich anders aussieht.